There we are the also, you know say me go round when you walk around me boy but you went choppy. Yeah man around the choppy man and we yeah. Yes people, I guess we can just stop the video right there so cause just looking at this place right now, absolutely beautiful. Right now, me not able to show no anything else. You can just pack up and go. But guess what, we done there already, so we are going to do some fishing. Welcome back to Hartman Adventures. If this is your first time watching the channel, welcome to you. Hope you are enjoying the content. Oh, Sue just got a flounder. Sue is shouting to me that she just got a flounder. So I'm not set up as yet. Sue is already set up. She's right back there. They got a flounder. So action there people. So guess what, I'm gonna leave it right here. I'm going to do my setup. Hopefully you will enjoy the content today, and just remember to like, comment, subscribe and share the video with a friend. Y'all are catching everything. So Susie has been smoking the flounders today. This is her fourth flounder. Unfortunately this one is still small, so she had to throw back all of them. But Susie has smoked with them and we don't get nothing yet. Susie a beat with bad. Yeah man, Hartman Adventures out here again man. Brand new Dr. Fish lure, me just pull it out of the pack and about to eat a try, so stay tuned for any action will happen. Yeah people, we're at a new location. Because we may not get any activity at all around other location, but hopefully we can get some better action around here. This is much deeper water, it's like a cliff. Hoping to try some lure action around here as well. So let's see how the evening turns out. Adventures again, man. Guys, check this out. I found the coolest spot. Check this out. Hey, this thing is so fun to listen to and watch. Yeah man people, that's it for today, you know. Didn't get any catch, but still had a lot of fun. Still had a lot of fun on the beach, still had a lot of fun in the water. Get to see my little girl play on the beach, enjoy herself. She really loves the water. But for me, fishing is just a sport. I'm not doing it just for only the catch, but I do it for the fun of it. So sometimes you come out, you get a catch, sometimes you come out, you don't get anything, but still enjoy myself seeing me. Hope you enjoy the content. Remember to like the video, remember to share it with a friend, leave me a comment, let me know what you think about the video, and thanks for subscribing as well. If you are a newcomer to the channel, welcome. But until next time, Hartman Adventures out. Look at that, people, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Love my country, man. Love my country. Hartman Adventures, you know? Hartman Adventures. Check this out. Woo. What a spot.